Rapid fire. Students, open your book on page number 13. Let's do the rapid fire. The first question is, who was the first law minister of India? So it is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Second question, who is worshipped as Lord Venkateshwara in Tirupati? It is Lord Vishnu. Third question is, which was the only Satyajit Ray film to be produced by Doordarshan? Answer is Satgati. Fourth one, if a person is ambidextrous, what does it indicate? So the answer is, it indicates that the person can use both the hands equally. Number 5, who donated land to build the Golden Temple in Amritsar? It was Emperor Akbar. Number 6, which animal is measured in hands? The animal is horse. Number 7, who invented scissors? So answer is Leonardo da Vinci. Number 8, what are Siamese twins? So human twins who are physically connected to each other. Number 9, in which war did more than 90,000 Pakistani troops surrendered to the Indian troops? It was in Indo-Pak War in 1971. Number 10, of which two gases is water made of? So answer is hydrogen and oxygen. Number 11, where was Guru Gobind Singh born? Answer is Patna. Number 12, by what common name is the Indian spotted deer known? So it is known Cheetal. Number 13, which element of nature do the Parsis worship? So answer is fire. Number 14, a badger's burrow is called set. What is hare's lair called? So hare do not bear young ones below the ground in a burrow, but in a flattened nest of grass, and that is called form. 15, if Rajghat is for Mahatma Gandhi, for whom is Vijay Ghat? So it is for late Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri. Number 16, from which animal do we get the Angora wool? So the answer is rabbit. Number 17, what is reared in apiary? So the answer is bees. Number 18, what is the national flower of Holland? So the answer is tulip. Number 19, what is a group of kangaroos called? So collective noun used for kangaroo is mob. Number 20, who built the Jantar Mantar at Delhi and at 4 other places? So answer is Maharaja Jai Singh. Number 21, which civilization is said to have invented paper? So it was invented by the Chinese. So students, now with the help of pictures, I have shown the answers of the quiz rapid fire. This will help you to learn all the answers quickly. Now we come to the next exercise, that is amazing facts. Some amazing facts that is given on page number 14. One is vampire bat, which is the only mammal that lives on nothing but blood. In about 10 minutes, it can drink more than its own body weight of blood of its victim. After this, the bat becomes so heavy that it is unable to fly for a while. It has fewer teeth than most bats because it has no need to chew or grind up food. Now we come to spider. The weight of all the insects eaten by the world's spiders in a year is greater than the combined weight of every man, woman and child on the earth. Turtles in Italy have been observed sunning themselves in the form of a 3-turtle pyramid. Do you know Africa has lions but no tigers? India is the only country that has both lions and tigers. Now about the red ants of India. They descend to the ground from an overhanging leaf by forming a ladder with a mass of their own bodies. Means they catch each other and make a ladder. Did you know in medieval Europe, onions were considered so valuable that they were given as wedding gifts? Students, did you know the opposite of hibernation means to pass the summer in a sleepy state? It is called estivation. Snakes in Greek mythology was a monster with a woman's head, a lion's body, 2 wings and a serpent's tail. One such snake is called to have destroyed everybody she met who couldn't answer her riddle. The riddle was this: what goes on 4 feet and 2 feet and 3, and the more feet it goes on, the weaker it be? The answer, of course, is man. At birth he crawls on 4, then walks erect on 2 legs, and in the old age walks with a cane, crutches or walking stick. Students, you know sunlight is very important for plants. The leaves grow in such a manner that they do not get in each other's way. They arrange themselves on their stalks, stems and branches so that the upper leaves do not shade the lower ones and deprive them of sunlight. Now, did you know a strawberry is the only fruit whose seeds grow on the outside? Students, you must have seen birds flying in the air. Flock of birds, no matter how large, or never led by single individual. The movement is collectively controlled by each bird reacting almost simultaneously to the slightest change of direction by another flock member, as if they were of one mind. So students, I have tried to make these GK lessons interesting and easy to learn. All you need is to listen to the video often and memorize all for your exam. Now, students, can you tell me the answer? Question number 1, what do turtles form? Question number 2, what is the wedding gift in Europe? Question number 3, name the fruit with the seeds on the outside. So, you will write your answers in the comment box and tell me. I am waiting for your answers. Thank you.